Yay! I say, you want some more? Some more?
Here you go.
Get some more.
I'll give him a bite of this. Ezra.
Now please have more.
Would you like some more?
Yes.
Do his legs. You're doing it.
Ezra, what you doing? What you doing? Look out, here comes Stella. Uh-oh, here she comes.
8, 9. 1, 2,
What are you doing? Are you marching?
Yes.
There she goes. Uh-oh, I've got someone stuck to my shirt. Oh dear. Oh dear. Hey. Come on. Come on. You can do it. Hi. Can you walk? Come on, Ezra. Can you walk to Mama? Come on. You can do it. You gotta let go. Ah, cheater. Can you wave bye-bye? Ezra, can you wave bye-bye? Say bye-bye. No. Oh, Stella's giving us a stool, huh? A gate. Nice t-shirt. Can you show off your t-shirt? Now go sit next to Ezra so we can get it matching. Ezra, sit up. Let him stand up, Stella. No, no, no. Don't pull him. Stella, put him down. Let go. Hey, he will do it himself. You don't need to do it for him. He'll pull up on the stool. Stand right there. Stand right there. Ezra. Oh, careful. There we go. Yay. Can you wave bye-bye, Stella?